What do Taylor Swift, Travis Scott and Metallica have in common? They all have really cool video clips that play along with their songs on Spotify. In this video, I'll show you how you can add this feature to your tracks as well. Spotify Canvas allows you to add looping videos to each of your tracks on Spotify. It's a great way to keep your listeners engaged. In fact, Spotify reckon that tracks that have canvases are listened to longer, shared up to 145% more often, and added to playlists 20% more often. What's more, as long as you have a Spotify for Artists account, you can add canvases to your uploaded tracks for free. Now, there are a few guidelines and rules to follow with this. You need to upload certain file types. Your video has to be a specific length, has to be a specific aspect ratio, and you'll need to ensure it adheres to Spotify's content guidelines too. DistroKid, the online music distributors that I recommend and the sponsors of this video, have a feature that not only automates all of that stuff for you, but also provides royalty-free footage for you to use at no extra charge. You do need to have a DistroKid membership to use this feature. If you're not already on board with DistroKid and want to give it a whirl, get involved via my unique discount link and you can save 7% on any yearly plan. You'll find that link down in the description below this video, and if you want more info on all the benefits that come with the DistroKid membership, including unlimited uploads, promotional tools, and loads more, watch the video that I've linked down there once you've finished watching this one. Alright then, starting off on your DistroKid homepage, click the menu here, and in the drop-down, click on the Enhance Your Music section, and then on the Spotify Canvas Generator option. In the next page, you'll be prompted to either enter your own search term, or you can select from the suggestions underneath. I'll just enter this as a search term and see what pops up. The Canvas generator brings in results from one of the best places for royalty-free images and videos, pexels.com. You can filter the results by orientation on the right here. I've selected vertical here as that's the orientation that Spotify Canvas videos use. Scrolling through the results, I can audition clips by hovering my mouse pointer over them. I quite like this one. It goes with the theme of the track that I want to apply it to. Clicking on it allows me to crop the video and edit its duration if I need to. It's the perfect size and I'll be able to include all of it in my Spotify Canvas. If I selected a horizontal video, I'd have to then crop most of it out to have it fit the rectangle format needed. Alright, once I'm happy, clicking next will have DistroKid process the video, and once it's done, I can download the video file. Next, I need to jump over to my Spotify for Artists dashboard. If I click on Music here, I can select from all of the tracks I currently have available to stream on Spotify. If I then click through to my track, there is a button on the next page marked Add Canvas. Because I created my Spotify Canvas video file using DistroKid, I don't need to worry about the content and file guidelines on the right here, as the Canvas generator has done all of that work for me. I can just find the file in my Downloads folder, then drag and drop it in. Once uploaded, I get a live demo of how the canvas will look in action, and I can even toggle this button to see how it will look on narrower phones like the iPhone X. Clicking next opens this screen where I'll need to agree to Spotify's terms before continuing. And once that's done, the canvas will be uploaded and will be viewable to all within the hour. That's really quite a speedy turnaround. And here's the Spotify canvas for my track in action on Spotify. That's how you create a Spotify canvas using DistroKid's excellent Spotify Canvas generator. Remember, if you aren't already signed up with DistroKid, save 7% on any yearly plan by going through the link down in the description. If you found this video helpful, give that like button a good hard slap. I really appreciate it, and it helps more people see this video. And if you want to find out more about releasing your music on Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, and loads of other online streaming services, watch this next.